Hey everyone, it's Jeff here, and it's been a few days since we've talked, but we're going to continue talking about how to lose fat. With that said, the most important thing you can do when your goal is to lose fat is to count your carbs and maintain a goal of less than 100 grams of carbs per day. Right? That is my goal every day, and I will tell you, if you stick to that and stay underneath that, you are going to be on your way to fat loss. Now, how do you count net carbs? Because net carbs is different than total carbs. Net carbs basically, you calculate them two different ways depending on what you have, what ingredients you have in your food. Total carbs minus fiber will equal net, right? You get that off the nutrition facts on the sticker on the food. Or some food have what we call alcohol sugars, right? I eat, for my snack sometimes, I eat Atkins chocolate peanut butter bars, kind of like a Reese's peanut butter cup, but you don't have all the sugar that you usually have because they use alcohol sugars. So you can take total carbs minus alcohol sugars and get your net carbs. Now, it's pretty easy to do. And the thing I want you to think about is, you say, well, Jeff, are all carbs created equal? They're not, right? Your best kind of carbs and the way you can keep your carb count down the lowest is to eat tons of vegetables, all right? Most vegetables have lower carb values. However, there are a few, right? We'll talk about those more next video. However, like I said, one of the things I see a lot in folks is basically you start your day with cereal, right? And that is the worst possible thing you can do. And you're like, well, I've always heard cereal was good for me. Well, they lied, right? Cereal is not good for you, especially if you're trying to lose weight, right? Case in point, if we're trying to stay below 100 grams of carbs per day, Raisin Bran, that would be pretty good, right? So let's look here at Raisin Bran. Can you guys see that? How many carbs? I think it says something like 46 grams of carb. Now, it does have 8 grams of fiber, but that's still 38 grams of carb just in that, right? That is basically over a third of your carbs for the day at breakfast time, right? So you got to take into account everything you eat, and even though you may have heard, well, that's good for you, that may not be the case, right? So I'll leave you with this, all right? Today, set your goal, start counting your carbs.